So in this lecture, we are going to discuss few important points that why would I choose Next.js to develop e-commerce faster and efficiently. In today's digital world, it is crucial for any developer to create a successful web application that loads fast and ranks well in search engines. That's where Next.js comes in. It's a powerful framework that empowers developers to build performant and SEO-friendly applications with ease. But what exactly is Next.js? It is an open source framework used to create web applications. We have uploaded a dedicated video on this topic. Link is given in description. You have to visit that blog first for basic clarity of Next.js. In this blog, we are going to discuss some advantages of Next.js and also talk about limitations of Next.js. Next.js is a versatile framework that can be used to build a wide range of websites from simple blogs to complex web applications. But imagine we want to build an e-commerce store with Next.js. So it offers a compelling advantage that it leverages the power and flexibility of React. It means Next.js gives you the full power of React at your fingertips, allowing you to create a dynamic and engaging shopping experience. But now let's dive into the key benefits that make Next.js a great choice for e-commerce websites in particular. Server-side generation, that is SSG, the product listing page of e-commerce websites showcasing all available products can be pre-rendered at build time with SSG. This ensures super fast loading times for users browsing the vast product selection. Then we have server-side rendering. The product detail page of a website which displays individual product detail pages can leverage SSR to improve SEO and initial load times. This allows search engines to easily understand product information while delivering a smooth user experience. Next.js supports dynamic routing for product pages, as you can see here. This is called as the dynamic product URL. This creates SEO-friendly URLs that clearly communicate the product category and specific item. Next.js can also enhance the experiences of developer. The next is Prebuilt Components. So Next.js offers components for common e-commerce functionalities like product cards, shopping carts, and checkout forms. This saves development time and ensures a consistent user interface throughout the store. Next.js comes with built-in image optimization capabilities, making it easier to handle images of products at display without compromising performance. The framework automatically optimizes images by choosing the most suitable format, size, and resolution based on the user's device and browser. Hot module replacement. Now, while developing product pages or other components, HMR allows you to see changes reflected almost instantly. This speeds up the development process and simplifies debugging visual aspects of the store. Now let's also discuss about the potential limitations to consider. The learning curve, of course. For beginners, understanding SSG and SSR for product pages might require additional learning compared to a simple static website approach. Another minor challenge can be state management. For managing shopping cart state like adding, removing items, quantities, we need to integrate a third-party state management library like Redux, adding some complexity. Next.js, while gaining popularity, may not have the same extensive community and ecosystem as React. This can be a concern when seeking solutions to specific problems or integrating with third-party libraries. Overall, Next.js provides a powerful framework for building a performant and SEO-friendly e-commerce store with a streamlined development experience. However, the learning curve associated with Next.js and the potential need for additional libraries should be factored into the decision.